Universal's Endless Summer Resort Dockside is finally open after 2 attempts. It was originally supposed to open on March 17th, then it was July 1st. It is finally open today on December 15th. Before I head in, just really quickly, this parking lot is a 20-minute parking lot for checking in. You will not be charged unless you stay for more than 20 minutes. And there is a parking garage that you go to afterwards. Over here is where you will take the bus to City Walk, where you can go to both Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure, or just go to City Walk. There is a separate bus for Volcano Bay when that is open. Right now it is currently closed until March. Alright, now for the outside, let's go inside and check out the new hotel. Now only one of the 2 towers is open right now due to low demand, as we're still in this wonderful pandemic. Of course, as soon as you come in, you get your temperature checked. And it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This is the first Universal hotel to open well decorated for Christmas. Usually they open in the summer. This was supposed to. And in case you thought, you know, Universal Orlando doesn't have enough Starbucks. Well, they have another one now. And as you can see, it's a full Starbucks. It is not one of those cafes where they proudly serve Starbucks coffee. This is an interesting table. It looks like they took a piece of a tree and put it inside of concrete. Sure. Regular plugs, also known as Edison, and USB. Aha, looks like it's almost time for the bar to open. It is almost 2:30 p.m. Now this looks like it's supposed to be a fountain, and I was thinking maybe it just wasn't running because of the pandemic. But I asked, and it's not supposed to be a fountain. It just looks like one. Alright. Interesting, I just thought it would be a fountain. But it is pretty cool. And also, if you look under here, there's a penny. And of course they have an express checkout. You can drop off your key if you'd like. Although the key has your name on it, so you can also keep it. But you drop it right here in this surfboard. Here's a quick view of one of the rooms, the 2-bedroom. Nice suite. Little footlocker over here. This is probably as close as you can get to Park View since the way that the hotel is configured. Got a little mini kitchen here. It's a coffee maker. I don't see any coffee pods, which is interesting. The restroom with or bathroom. So he's saying no bathtub in this one. This is a shower stall only. And the second room with the closet. Never mind, it's actually in the drawer right here, along with some flatware and condiments, as it says right on the label. I'm sure that's sugar, cream, stuff like that. cool thing about this bar is that all of these drinks are names of former attractions from Wet n Wild. Here is the selection of draft beers. Thought this was a little interesting, the tunnel you walk through to get from the lobby to the pool deck. There's all these lights. Here is the market. A bit like Cabana Bay in a way. You have one place to check out and multiple food options. I'll be trying one of those right now. This station, we have some soups. Don't know if they're actually, no, there are some soups available. And grab and go sandwiches with some chips. Here's the desserts. Some nice cupcakes. Croissants. Not sure what those are, but those look good. Some scones and just some cookies. Here is the screen to show you the prices for those items. Oh, we got some ice cream here too. Chocolate, vanilla, and swirl. I assume it's ice cream. It might be yogurt. I'm not sure. So they do have this, which is, I just found out, ice cream. However, not available today. So I'm gonna go with the smoothie. I was probably gonna do that anyway. Some fruit cups, some salads. Salads look really nice. Greek grilled chicken, Caesar, and regular Caesar without grilled chicken. That's over there. And some dressing. And here's what the prices are. I don't know why the sign looks like it's been around for a long time, but that's the thing. Hot off the press, it seems if I go this way I get a reflection, if I go this way I get a reflection, but that is the menu. Don't believe they're actually serving anything right now, but that is another option. This all looks so delicious. I'll just eat all of it. Not a fan of American cheese, but it does look good. Although I will say that pizza looks pretty good too. Stuffed shells, not bad. Garlic knots. Ooh, but check out these pizzas. They're a little bit larger. Still pretty good size.
That could possibly be something on the front of that.
Yeah, a little grab and go area over here.
Yeah, that'd be great.
This is nice. Some breakfast items. Bagels, muffins, some snack items over here. This is a value, I forget exactly the description of it, so this is meant for longer stays here at Universal, so, and even if it's a couple of days, you know, snacks are good. This looks like a pretty cool machine. I've never seen this before. It is smoothies and cold brew coffee. I'm gonna have to try that. So, they go with the real fruit smoothie. Banana berry would be good. $6. Ouch. Okay. They go with medium because that's like, you know, the option. They actually assumed I was going to do that before putting the cup in place. I hope I'm smarter than that. Well, that's a little messy. I'm guessing that lighter color is the banana. Oh, but we're not done. I was thinking that didn't quite look like a spoon. Oh my gosh, this is going to be... Interesting. And then it wants to make sure you see that it is being sanitized or cleaned. I mean, I figured it would, but... And of course, Mini Melts, which is a direct competitor to Dippin' Dots. I did get the grilled chicken Caesar with the, imagine this, Caesar dressing. This is $10. They do have discounts for team members, and I would assume, maybe I should ask, annual pass holders. And just because it looks so cool, the fruit smoothie. So I'll tell you what it, I don't know, I just felt like eating a salad. I know that there were also some grill options that looked really good. Honestly, a lot of the food looked good. That was a tough choice, so I'm like, sure, salad. It is a good sized salad, and it's in a reusable bowl, so hooray environment. This isn't so great, but this, I believe, is a bioplastic. Oh, I guess if I kept spinning that around, it would come to eco products. So the salad is actually really good, and so is the smoothie. I was worried it would be from concentrate. I don't really like, sorry for being snobby, I guess, I don't really like fruit juice from concentrate, but it is actually really good. Did get a pretty nasty brain freeze, but you know, my fault. Here's another look at the dining area. Very nice high ceilings. If you like cream in your coffee, well, you can have more than you could possibly need. And they do have, as I guess it would be obvious to expect, they do have the newer style freestyle machines. It's, as you can see, it's a much bigger display, and this is actually a display as well. Plus, there is a small camera up there. I'm not sure exactly what that's for. All kinds of condiments, especially ketchup. This is where you can go and wash your face. Additional seating. Really nice theme. Lots of space, as you can see. Here is the Sunset Lounge. And you'll notice a little bit like Cabana Bay, they have headlights. Of course they're LED, but some lights that look like old school headlights, which is pretty cool. And of course every Universal hotel has a Universal Studios store. Still do not know why it's not called a Universal Orlando store, but that's what it's called. And of course a lot of these items are in the park already, so I'm not going to show you every little thing, but just a few examples. A large portion of it, of course, is dedicated to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. All the Slytherin stuff. Of course there's other houses represented. These are nice, but they are not machine washable. So what's the point? Of course you have Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw on the side. Some trolls. Not like the ones in the chat. Some kids stuff. I mean, stuff for kids, for children. And some other items. What I don't see here is they don't have the large bottle that they had over at Dockside. The thermally insulated one with a large cap. I don't know if I've ever liked a hotel enough to actually buy merchandise with the hotel name on it. I mean, it's nice, I don't know. Not for me. $24.95 for that, or $26.95 for this picture frame. They're both pretty cool. So that's my first look at the Endless Summer Resort Dockside. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Some candles. These are nice. It is $40 though. You'll see this pattern a lot inside and out in this hotel. So this is the fitness center. Unfortunately, I don't have a key.